Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the battery voltage regulator, fuses and relays are located, where you can guys find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the battery voltage regulator, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will guys demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Now guys, both vehicles are built on the same platform. Practically it should work for both. The only main difference is the Suburban is longer. And this SUV has many hidden fuse boxes, and I would say 9 out of 10 people do not know where they're located. That's okay. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, for any of you that need that. Go ahead guys and open the hood now. So we're lucky because we'll be working easy to access fuse box. When you open the hood, this is the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it on the driver's side we have that fuse box cover. Open it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check specifically. Okay, we need to check one fuse first, then we'll talk about fuses and relays. If you come in that row of fuses guys here, the fuse that you need to check is fuse number 26. We're talking about this double 5M fuse. This is known as micro 3 fuse. They're hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them from at a good price, quick shipping guys. Check it out. Now what about a relay? You don't have a relay. That system practically is controlled by that fuse. That's known as a relay fuse. If you have problems with it, always check that fuse first. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.